This is the assembly video for the Hewitt roller rail. Level the ground around the area where your roller rail is to be placed. Lay out and inventory all of the hardware that comes with your roller rail. Insert the chain bolt and the pulley on the water end section. Starting from the water end section, work your way towards the shore, attaching each section. Locate the motor box assembly. Remove the 4 nuts and bolts that are holding the motor to the box. Mount the motor assembly to the shore end section using the 4 nuts and bolts that you just removed, and secure all 4 bolts and nuts. Next, remove the vent plug. Locate 16 carriage bolts, then attach the 2 cross sections to the cart frame and tighten. Locate the 4 rail wheel brackets and 8 bolts and nuts. Place the brackets on the bottom of the cart frame with the large hole facing up and to the outside of the cart. Now locate the 4 cast wheels and attach the wheels to the cart using the large bolt, lock nut, and 2 washers. Make sure to put the washer on each side of the wheel. Tighten the lock nut down, but make sure not to over tighten. Go ahead and tighten the bolts down. Finally, double check that the wheel spins freely. Now grease all 4 cast wheels, making sure to use a marine grade grease. Next, insert the chain bolt into the shore end side of the cart. Insert the bolt into the winch, making sure that the washer is used on the slotted hole. Attach the winch to the cart and tighten it down. Place the cart onto the track. Make sure that it rolls freely on the track. Locate the 4 cart retention bolts and 8 nuts. Then place them into the rail wheel brackets directly beneath the cast wheels. Start by running your cable through the shore end side of the cart. Place the 2 clamps over the cable and run the cable through the chain bolt. Tighten the cable clamps down. Start by running the cable through the top hole of the motor box. Wrap the cable 4 consecutive times around the drum. Double check that your cable is not crossed anywhere on the motor drum. Next, feed the cable through the bottom hole of the motor box. Run the cable through the water end pulley. Thread the cable through the hole in the cart and up through the winch. Double the cable back through one of the additional holes. Push the remaining cable to the bottom of the drum. Spool the cable up on the winch using a cordless drill. Now tension the cable so that it does not slip on the drum. Next, we're going to attach the cradle side plates to the cart. Insert the cradle block into the cradle plates and make sure that the hole is facing up. Repeat this process in all 4 corners. Locate the 2 keel boards and center them on the cart. Secure the keel boards using 4 carriage bolts and the keel plate. Locate the 2 bunks. Measure approximately 9 inches back towards the water end. Next, center the hole on the bunk and drill completely through. Repeat this process on the shore end of the bunk. When done correctly, there will be more overhang on the shore end side of the bunk. Insert the carriage bolt through the bunk and secure to the cradle block. The crossbar is an optional add-on. To secure the crossbar, simply loosen the tabs, slide on, and retighten. Slide the pipe through the upright and then attach the mud pad. As a general rule, crossbars are required every 8 feet on the 4,500 pound system and every 4 feet on the 6,500 pound rail system when the rail system is not touching the bottom. Place the optional cable guide on the crossbar directly underneath the cable. Drill 2 holes and secure the nuts and bolts. Test your system to make sure that it moves freely. Assemble the cleat, keeping the flat side towards the bottom of the cleat. Slide the cleat onto the upright and tighten it down. Slip the cap over the end of the upright. Slide the upright over the end tube of the cart. Tighten it down and repeat the same process on the other side. Attach the chain bolt to the end tube on the shore end side of the cart. Tie the rope to the chain bolt. Attach the excess rope to the end of the cleat. Repeat on the other side. Loosen the set screw on the end tube of the rail system. Mount the flagpole to the end of the flagpole tube. Insert the flagpole tube, making sure that there's clearance for the cart. This completes the assembly.